I'll demonstrate how to install the package on a vehicle. This is an off-road vehicle, so our 1418 is very suitable. After inserting the items you need, the first step is to fold. We add PE board at the edge of the bag to facilitate folding. After rolling down and folding 3 times, insert the buckles on both sides, just like that, as well as the buckles on top to further strengthen the package so that the package will not appear in a loose state. Next, I need to connect the 2 bags in a tightened state using the 2 middle buckles. And then release the middle buckle. According to different models, you need to adjust the length of the middle webbing, just like that. And you store the excess webbing. Here we go. After fixing the position of the bag on the bike, we need to fix it upon it. We have designed 2 clips on the bag to ensure that it will not shake or even fall during riding. We will use 2 such webbing. The special point is that one end of the webbing, which is a sleeve like this, and the other end passes through the middle to reach a fixed point, which can be fixed by connecting with the buckle on the bag. In the same step, connect the buckle on the front of the bag. Any excess webbing is easy to be rolled into the tire or hinge. We designed this storage form of Velcro to avoid this situation. Well, our bag has been fixed and installed on a bike. But when it is inconvenient to put some items in the bag, you can use the plug-in system under the bag. Loosen the 2 buckles, put the items in, and tighten them to ensure that the items will not fall off. Is it convenient? Okay, our installation is over. If you like the video, please hit the follow button. See you next video. Bye-bye.